Hey there YouTube, so in today's lesson we're going to look at the 6-stroke roll. Let's get into it. Okay then, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the 6-stroke roll. We're going to look at how to play it open, closed, just on the snare drum as a traditional rudiment, and also how to apply that then to the kit. I've got here the music. So as you can see, there's two basically ways of writing this. The traditional way, which is above, where you've got your 16th note, followed by 4 32 notes, another 16th note, and then same again. You always accent the first of the 6 and the last of the 6. The other way of writing it out, which I've written below, which is a bit easier to read, so you can see all 6 notes. You've got your 16th note still, your 4 32s and your 16th with your accent above, and then the sticking underneath, right, left, right, right, left. The middle notes are always played as double strokes, and then your 2 singles on each end. Okay, so I'll give you a demonstration of that now. I'll pop the music down below, and then eventually we'll move it over onto the kit. Okay then guys and girls, so what do I mean by open and closed? So there's 2 different ways you can play rolls. You can either play them open, which means you can clearly hear all the hits, it's played a little bit slower, or closed where you get more of the bounce of the stick. Okay, so we'll start off by playing it open. As I said, the music is down below, so just follow along as you can. So we start off with the right, 2 lefts, 2 rights, and a left. Okay, we'll just stick with the right hand lead for the moment. So once again, this is open. As I said, you accent the first right and the last left. Okay, now left hand lead. Bit faster. And now we're going to alternate between the 2. Okay, so now we're going to speed that up a little bit, still leaving it open. Okay, as you can probably tell, I'm not quite warmed up yet, so just once again a little bit quicker. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to close it. So this is where you get more of a buzz sound. So you get okay, so just right hand lead. And left hand lead. And left hand lead. Okay, and now we're going to alternate between the 2. Okay, so now you've got that. I mean, it will take you a bit of time. It is something that I practice quite a lot. I said it is one of the rudiments. I keep spouting on about these rudiments, but they are very important. You can use this a lot to build filling, which I'm going to show you in a second on the kit. So just one more time, we play open. And close. Okay, I said learn it both ways. I'll start off open first. It is harder to play open, but it does allow you to sort of get your head around it, get the technique and the muscle memory needed to get to eventually speed it up. Okay, so I'm going to take it over to the kit now, and I'm going to show you an example of a way you can use this in a filling. I'm going to use it, traditionally you would play it with the gaps. If you use like, if you're using it in like a military sort of text, they do add those little gaps in. But what we're going to do is we're going to do it straight after each other, so it becomes more like a filling you can use in a rock orientation. Okay, so join me over on the kit and I'll see you in a second. Okay then guys, there you go. So there's an example of how to use the filling by itself, how to use a 6-stroke roll by itself and how to orchestrate it around the kit. You can try moving the 32 notes, snare drum notes around as well. I find it's just easier just to move the accents around. You can put them on cymbals or move them around the toms as I did. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell just to keep in touch with future releases. That would really help me. Especially if you like the videos and you like the stuff that I'm doing. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear if this is actually helping people or what you would like me to do a lesson on. That would, you know, I'm open to suggestions. So yeah, thank you very much. Goodbye.